Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is October 25th, 2024, and this is my weekly market review. I'm reviewing the Dow 30, that's DIA, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's jump over here to these charts and see what we see. Maximize this quarterly chart. What did I just do? Be a bonehead sometime. I don't know why I did that. All right, let's zoom in here on this quarterly chart. We're turning red on the Dow. And all the Dow has been pushing back here, I noticed here the past few weeks. And on this quarterly chart here, we're still staying above this R2 level, but we're beginning to form a doji up here. And we just gotta wait and see what's happening here. Yeah, our R3 is quite a ways away. It's up there at 460. We just gotta wait and see what happens here and after the elections. But we're still, again, we got the caution light is on, so be careful and all. Well, let's go ahead and go down to the monthly chart and see what we see there. On the monthly chart, zoom, zoom, zoom. Monthly chart, of course, we're going to see red there also. We are above the pivot, so I do kind of expect to stay above pivot. It could come down to pivot and give us a bounce, or even to the moving average line. This is 9-10 moving average. We are still bullish. We are quite extended at this time. So again, when we start getting extended, we do end up sometimes getting a little bit of a pullback. So this is kind of not too surprising, but be aware. And again, just stick to your plans, stick to your strategies, and trade accordingly. All right, let's go down to the weekly chart and see what we see there. On the weekly chart, this is where you really see it this week. This week is a big red candle, kind of like some of the big red candles that we get. But as we can see on the Dow, it usually don't last too long, but it can end up lasting a week or two. We got a couple of weeks or so before election. We are still above the 9-10 moving average. Like I said, we are quite a bit extended, so this thing could give us a little bit of a pullback here. Maybe this pullback that we was kind of expecting last month, we may be getting it now. And Dow is leading the way. At least the Dow is doing it based on what I'm seeing here at this time. But still, in a bull market, being above the 9-10 moving average, and we just got to see what's going to happen here. Pay attention to your plan, pay attention to your strategies, and all at this time. But let's go on to the daily noise and wrap this on up on the daily noise. Again, it did give us topping patterns back here, on this. Let me zoom in a little bit here. It did give us some topping patterns back here, and then we did get some kind of confirmations of this. I remember thinking that it was just going to fill just this gap right here, but we have followed through quite a bit. And I think we're down in a demand area at this time. Let me see if I can see that right here. I'm calling this area right here. This area right here, I'm calling it a demand area, and where this market may come down into this area, slow down, and we get a reversal back up. So we are already there and all. So just be careful about trying to go short now. I think it's kind of late to be going short. We've dropped over $10 already on the Dow. That's quite a bit for the Dow, But like back here was 16 down to 04. So again, it's about the average pullback that it does when it's doing a pullback on the Dow. Now I don't know if it's the average, but it's a norm. The last pullback is about the same. The last time it didn't pull back, all it did was consolidate it, before it went up. So we might be pulling back down to this area again, testing this area before we go back up. And it could get down here and go sideways for a little while. And based on the election, the market's going to give us a pop or a drop. That's what it's going to, that's all it can do. It's going to give us a pop or a drop. And that's all I really want to share at this time. That's what I see happening here. So just be mindful of what you're doing at this time. This market is down at an area where it may find support, though. The drop may be done. So you are late to the party if you want to short it. No trade recommendation there, though. All right, that's it. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys have a great weekend. And I'll talk to you later. Have a good one. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Thank you, new subscribers. Let's get that subscriptionship up to 500. 150 more. I think I should throw something out there on Facebook to try to get more subscribers. But that's it. Have a good one. Talk to you later. Oh, I was going to show one more thing if you guys actually still hanging out there. You know, one of the stocks of the Dow is why I kind of don't like trading individual stocks too much, because you never know what's going to happen. MCD. McDonald's. There was some news that came out on McDonald's, and McDonald's ended up dropping a crazy drop. I see it not too bad, only about $30 and all else. We'll go with the high of it's not even 20. It was 318 down to where it's at right now. Coming into earnings though, and down to 291. So to say 20, which is and down to 291. So that's $30, a $30 drop. But that's like a 10% drop. So that's pretty big when a lot of times all you're looking to make is 10% on some of your stock positions and all. So we've gotten a 10% drop on this one and all. But that's it. That's all I really want to share at this time. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Just one little thing. Every now I don't do this that often, and it's at the end. So again, you may have missed this. But have a good one. Have a good weekend, and I hope you had a great week. Talk to you later. Bye.